Alright, we're back again, guys. Doing the sound test. And I think it makes it quieter. This is in the Polaris Xpedition ADV North Star model. 5-seater. I think it makes a difference. And my wife thinks it makes a difference.
Actually carry on a conversation.
So she's happy. So if Mama's happy, then everybody's happy.
That's right.
So anyhow, I'm going to see if I can link all three of these videos together. I'm not real good at all that editing, but we'll see if we can get something figured out. Anyhow, hope this helps. You guys like and subscribe, and stay tuned. We're getting the roof rack put on next week, and the KC lights, and wait till you see this new roof rack like nothing else out there. Think you'll like it. Anyhow, you guys like and subscribe. I'm out of here.